Hi everyone, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. I think it's been 3 weeks since I recorded and posted long form content, obviously. So, the minute my exam was over, I was like, I have to do this. I need to record. So, here I am. So, yesterday was my last exam, which was Viva. It went well, I guess. Yeah, and I already got my number 75 out of 100. I think it's just fine. I answered all the questions and I still got 75. Pretty questionable. Still, exam went well. But I missed recording this. So, and this video is gonna be very random, more like update kind of video, like what I have been through and what you guys have been through. So let's talk about it. So now that I'm done with college, there will be no next semester, which is pretty cool. And I'll have my convocation in December, most probably. I don't get this BSU thing, like why you have to do it in December. You can do it right now because I want to wear sari and get my degree. But fine. At least the weather will be nice in December, so works. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, that I am not planning to do any master degree. I am not. And I'm also not planning to go for government exams. So now that my exams are over, I am confused. It's very overwhelming. It was just yesterday, and I was like, what will I do? What's the plan? And yeah, I didn't even take a full day to just exist normally, peacefully. No, I was like, what to do now? So, yeah, anyways, so I have been through my exams, went pretty well, faced a lot of health problems then only, and it sucked. But since it's done, I'm not gonna complain about it. So yeah, and I need to know what you guys have been through this entire time in 3 weeks. Okay. Also, have to give you this update on my braces. I am finally comfortable with them. Like I don't see myself that oh I have braces now, and it was hard because some days it was fine, some days it was like oh it's hurting so much, what do I do? But now it's completely fine. Like I'm so comfortable with it, and it's cool now. Since it's a random video, I don't know what else I can share with you all. But okay, let's talk about real thing. Since my exam is over and I'm not appearing for anything that people around me, my age, are doing and planning, so I feel very weird. And you can see on my face. Okay, I don't know what my plan is, but I think my plan is for some personal reasons I cannot leave my city this year. So, or else I would go somewhere, do something, not my city. I'm done here. But for some reasons, I cannot. So, the only option is that I have to do something here only in Varanasi, okay? So, and you all know the job opportunities and career opportunities here, you guys must are aware. So I have to figure something out here only. So the goal is to be consistent on YouTube because I really want to be a content creator in future. I am not even kidding. And maybe this channel is just for trial, because I'm doing it for the very first time. I'm learning to speak, I'm learning to tell you stories. I'm learning to just express myself with no resources at all. So now you know that the plan is to be serious on YouTube even when I don't have a life to show, just for the sake of learning, just for it. So I'll do that because that is gonna help me in future for making content. Okay, I will be so much experienced in speaking, in telling you things, and in so much things. Okay, so that is gonna help me, my vision. So I have to be serious here, even if it is for trial. Okay, so that is the goal. Now the second goal is, since YouTube cannot pay my bills just now, so it is for learning, so I have to do something which can pay my bills, which is obviously working a job, but I'm not sure if I can get a pretty decent job after graduating from BHU. My degree is BCom honors in finance. So I am pretty confused if I can get a job because my degree is also insane. No offense to me or anyone. Yeah. So I'm not even independent on my degree now. But I have to find a job, I have to find it this year only. In few months I have to do it because what else I'll do, and I have to earn. There is no other option for me to escape things that I don't like right now. So the plan is to search a job. I installed few apps today only and made my profile. So let's see where it takes me. Yeah. So I have to find job for me in Banaras, That is the goal. Also, these are my major goals, like the major goals. First, searching a job for myself here for this year. That is what I think. I don't know if universe has a different plan for me. I don't know that. So I think this channel is just a trial channel where I'm just trying things. Because for future, this is not my vision. I really want to be very serious about it. And here I was not. I still am not. So the amount of effort I put here is crazy because I don't put efforts, which is very sad because I want it, but I'm not putting much efforts. And honestly, to be very honest, both are the same things. Actually, I want to put efforts, but the thing that I don't have a life to show to you all. So I don't even know. Like, I'm being completely honest here because I want to speak to you all honestly. So I really want you to, like, I want you to see my life. I want to show it to you all, but I don't have a life to show. I live very boring life. I just wake up, go college, come home, watch some videos maybe on YouTube, and read some books and fight with situations that I don't want to fight with people, their mindset. I fight for my life each and every day, and that is it. That is the life I live. So I don't know what can I show you all. So this is basically a trial channel for me. But obviously that is not the goal for the future. But I'm learning here, so it is fine. Because in future, I really want you to see my life, the life I have in my mind that I live. So obviously I'll make pretty cool content in future. But right now you have to bear with me with boring talks, Please. So yes, according to me, the plan is to find myself a job and to be serious on YouTube. And also, I don't believe in this BS. Like, if you think you are a graduate, like a random graduate, you have done your UG from okay, fine, central universities. What now? What changed? And you think that you can get a pretty decent job just by your UG? Very delusional of you. So please don't even I said na I want decent job. Oh no, I said I don't know if I can get a decent job, and I won't get it. It's fine, and I don't have to get a decent job just because I'm a graduate. I've just done my UG. I have no work experience. I'm dumb. I am just a newbie. So I shouldn't expect that the world is going to give me so much respect, so much of crazy and respected job, decent. I shouldn't expect that. And you have to start somewhere, right? And this is what I have been teaching my parents, my family, that I have to start somewhere. Let me work, let me do anything. It doesn't have to be decent. I'm just a graduate, and you have to understand that. This life is not a fairy tale that you have done your UG and now you are working a crazy job. It's not like that. If you're doing good for you, but that's not the reality in most of the cases. So please stop judging and stop expecting that, oh, I can get this just because I've done this. No. You have to just start. Start from anywhere. and that is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna sit there and see, oh my god, this is not decent. I'm not gonna do that. No, I will. Okay, I will, because I have to start somewhere. So yes, I'll figure the job thing. I think I have time, right? Maybe I don't, maybe I do, but I'll figure it out. And I don't think so that I'll get job this quick. So I have time to do things that I haven't done and I want to. And let's just not forget, I have my new year goals pending. The making videos consistently goal, the reading books goal, learning French, working on my body. Everything is pending and I have to do that. So, right after filming this video, I'll sit there quietly, peacefully, and write everything down. Like what is important to me now, what is not. And I'll filter things out and maybe I'll add something in it and I have to start working from tomorrow. Yes. And I don't want to rest now because this is my high time to get things done. I have rested enough. Since I'm in college, I'm resting only. Yeah, I kind of roasting myself. Whatever. So I have to sit there and plan things to get done. That is the goal as well. This video is very random, you guys. I'm just yapping. Very random. And also, I want to know what you are doing. Okay, I really want to. I would love to read your comments. So please fill me in, you know. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm trying my best to not give this energy to you all that I'm so stressed, because I really am. I mean, when I say that I don't have a plan, I mean it, you guys. I mean it. I don't have any plan. And the thing that I feel that I don't have enough support in my life, because I am the one. If I want to do something, I have to plan things. Like I have to search everything. I have to fight for things. Then I will get to do it. That is crazy, because I don't have advantages that okay, girl, go do whatever you want. Okay, I'm with you. No, I'm not living that life. I have to figure things out on my very own. And I don't know if I can make it. In future I will, because I have this immense belief and faith in myself that I will make it in life. But about this phase, I'm not sure. I will try my best, obviously, but it's pretty overwhelming that I don't have this advantage that okay, go, this is your plan, go do it. I don't. I literally have to sit and figure things out and make a plan. Tell my family that I'm gonna do this. Then get permission. And if I don't, I have to fight. And this is the reality. So even if I have to work a job, I have to make it sound that it's worth it. So a lot to do. I need to work on my mental health at the same time as well. So yeah. But anyways, I am gonna do it all. I'm gonna manage it all. This video is something that I'll watch in future, that I was pretty stressed and I made decisions and I made it in life. I feel like I'm talking too much here. Not my fault, because been a while. Anyways, I enjoyed telling you random things. I honestly don't even remember what I said in this video, but I said it because I felt it. So yeah, I'll see you in the next videos. I'm gonna be pretty serious, I promise. And that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building. Bye bye.